everyone, welcome to a new episode of Crypto Tips. This is episode 60 of our AMA sessions. These questions were submitted to us by our amazing CT Club. Those are members of our Patreon group. You can find a link to it down below in the video description.
Yep, and we are currently in the middle of dollar cost averaging into a lot of different coins. So
yeah,
kind of excited for what's going to happen.
Yeah. My name's Heidi.
And my name's Toby.
Forgot to introduce ourselves. Okay, anyway, so let's get right to the questions. The first one here is, how to find jobs that pay in crypto. Which crypto would you recommend accepting? So right off the bat, most of the jobs that are listed that are very willing and eager to pay you in crypto involve working with cryptocurrency projects. So most likely you're going to need to have some kind of coding knowledge to be a developer. Maybe you have some marketing skills online. A lot of cryptocurrency projects need help with marketing. Or maybe you are fluent in a couple different languages and you can translate their documents. That's also super helpful. But I found a few websites that post job listings that pay in crypto. For example, you can go to cryptocurrencyjobs.co. I'm going to put links to them down below in the video description, of course. Another popular one is XBT Freelancer and laborx.com. And also crypto.jobs. These are all basically postings for people who want to hire freelancers and pay them in crypto, and vice versa. If you if you have a job you want someone to do online and you want to pay them in crypto, I'm sure you can post it here as well. But definitely the majority of these jobs available are for crypto related techie type positions, so keep that in mind.
Also, one good thing that you can do, and it takes a little more time than just writing a simple resume, is to get on to Twitter and then just go, hey, I know how to code. Is anybody looking for a coder, or is anybody looking for this or that? I've noticed that there are some Twitter accounts that have done that have just stepped out of their comfort zone and said, hey, I know how to code. And I saw one guy get 2,000 likes and crazy amount of comments, and I was reading under the comments like, oh yeah, you just got a DM, blah blah blah. I'm like, wow, there's so much opportunity in this space. So that is my encouragement to you. Like, if you're looking for a job in this space, there's no excuse not to have a job in this space.
Especially in this day and age where working online is such an important and easy convenient way to make money when brick and mortar businesses are up in the air and other companies are going out of business.
Yeah, and you know what? If you don't have a degree or whatever, it doesn't matter.
Does not matter.
It doesn't matter whatsoever. I don't care about a degree. If I'm going to hire somebody, I couldn't care less about a degree. I want to see what they can do.
Yeah.
And they need to be better, more than just order takers, which is what you learn in school.
But also, that's the general mentality of a lot of people who are building things in this crypto space. They're not so impressed by the traditional degrees and certificates you can get. They want to know what you can build, what if you're enthusiastic about it. And if you can check those boxes, it's going to be great. Next question. Heidi predicted in a tweet that Solana will be in the top 3 coins in terms of market cap. Which coin will not be in the top 3 if that happens? Ethereum or Cardano? So right off the bat, we do have to address the fact that Tether is now in the 3rd position instead of Cardano, which probably was the case when this guy wrote the question.
Let's take Tether out, because it is a stable coin and you're not going to make a ton of, it's not going to go crazy up and down.
Oh yeah, okay, so right now,
it's Cardano
today,
essentially.
The 3rd position according to Marketcap, the market cap of that coin is 69 billion. 814 million, yada yada. So let's say if Solana were to be or surpass that position, that means the price of Solana would have to be I think like 260, 270.
Yeah.
So that's what the price of Solana would have to be. But that's assuming that all of the other coins are stagnant and Solana is the only one increasing. Most
That's
likely,
not going to happen.
No, most likely what's going to happen is Ethereum's going to be popping off too. Cardano's probably going to be popping off. They all will be. So
My prediction,
yeah.
Here's a little prediction for you. I think Solana's going to catch up to Cardano, and then I think they're going to trade places for a while. And then from there, we will be able to see what is the better platform. You know, because Cardano just came out with smart contracts. So let's see how it's implemented, how easy it is to use, how fun it is to use, seeing like the NFTs and the DeFi space, all that stuff. So I think they're going to be fighting for position, but also a prediction, I'm fairly certain that Ethereum will never be overtaken by either of them.
Ooh, that is a prediction.
Yeah, it is a prediction, but I mean, I'm gonna get slack from the Cardano people. They're like, it's gonna take over Bitcoin. No, it's not.
The one thing Ethereum has over both of those is that now they're burning coins. So for them, that market cap is going to be more easily achieved.
Yeah.
But let's.
Yeah. I mean, I've also said that, you know, Solana could be a huge competitor for Ethereum. So I could see actually Solana getting close to Ethereum, but I don't think it's going to overtake it.
But how cool is it that we get to basically be the happy recipients of this new technology being developed,
awesome.
And use it to make money and to generate incomes in ways that we never thought was possible. Yeah. And these guys who are building these platforms and these systems are busting their butts to make the best possible thing that they can, hopefully sacrificing as little on decentralization, security, and scalability as possible. That's the trifecta that a lot of, usually one of the three has to be compromised to achieve any of the other two. So anyway.
Yeah, I'm so with that said, we are incredibly bullish on Cardano, Solana, and Ethereum. Like, man, those three, if you have those in your position, in your portfolio, you're styling.
Yeah. Styling. That's going to wrap it up today. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. If you guys appreciate these AMA sessions, we appreciate it if you hit the like button and hit subscribe to get your daily fix of all things crypto.
And City Disobedient, please do that.
Okay.
And bye-bye.
Bye.